Let me ask you something. How many times have you studied English grammar and still felt stuck when it was time to speak? You know the rules, you've learned the tenses, maybe you've even scored well on tests. But the moment someone says, "Hey, can you introduce yourself?" your mind freezes. You start thinking, "Okay, which tense should I use? Is this sentence correct? Wait, how do I say this properly?" And suddenly, what should have been a simple sentence turns into silence. If that's you, then listen carefully. Because the problem is not your intelligence, the problem is you were taught the wrong way. Welcome here. This is not just another English learning channel where you memorize rules and forget them later. Here, you learn how to actually use English, how to think in it, how to speak naturally, how to sound like a real human being, not like a textbook. And today, I'm going to show you a method that most people never discover. Think about this for a second. Did you learn your first language by studying grammar rules? Did someone sit you down as a kid and explain tenses before you spoke? Of course not. You listened, you copied, you repeated, you made mistakes, and somehow, without even realizing it, you became fluent. So here's the real question. Why are you trying to learn English in a completely different way? I once knew two students. The first one was obsessed with grammar. Every day, he studied rules. He memorized sentence structures. He practiced exercises from books. On paper, he was perfect, but in real life, he couldn't speak. If you asked him a simple question like, "Tell me about your day," he would pause, look down, and start building sentences in his head. By the time he figured it out, the moment was gone. Now the second student. She wasn't focused on grammar at all. She spent her time differently. She listened to English every day, simple conversations, short stories, even random videos. And instead of analyzing, she copied. She repeated sentences out loud. She tried to match the tone, the rhythm, the flow. At first, she sounded awkward. She made mistakes, but she didn't stop. A few months later, she wasn't perfect, but she was speaking confidently, naturally, without overthinking every word. So what changed? Simple. The first student learned about English. The second student learned how to use it. And that's the difference most people never understand. English is not a subject, it's a skill. And skills are not built by memorizing rules. They're built by practice. If you really want to speak English naturally, you need to follow a different approach. Not complicated, not fancy, just real. Now, here are a few simple steps that can help you speak English better. Follow them daily, and you will improve faster. So, let's see those steps. Step 1. Listen more than you think you should. Your brain learns language through patterns, not rules, patterns. And the only way to build those patterns is exposure. You need to hear English every single day. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay, because your brain is slowly connecting sounds, meanings, structures, and one day you won't think, you'll just speak. Step 2. Copy like it's your job. This is shadowing. You hear a sentence and you repeat it immediately. Same speed, same tone, same rhythm. At first, it feels uncomfortable. You'll mess up. You'll hesitate. Good. That means you're learning. Step 3. Speak before you feel ready. You don't need perfect grammar. You need courage. Because if you wait for perfection, you'll never start. And if you never start, you'll never improve. Now you understand the steps, so let's practice them one by one. Follow carefully, don't rush, just trust the process. Step 1. Listen only. For this part, just listen. Don't speak yet. Relax and focus on the sound. I wake up early every morning. She is reading a book now. Today is a beautiful day. He works very hard daily. I want to improve my English. We are learning something new. Practice makes everything easier. Small progress matters a lot. Good. Just listening trains your brain. Now let's move to step 2. Step 2. Shadowing practice. Now listen and repeat immediately. Copy the voice, copy the rhythm, copy the tone. How are you today? I am feeling great today. What are you doing now? I really like this idea. That sounds very interesting. Can you help me, please? Let me think about it. I will start right now. Very good. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep going. Step 3. Listen and repeat clearly now. Hear the sentence. Pause, then repeat with confidence. I can speak English confidently. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me learn faster. I am not afraid anymore. My speaking is getting better. I believe in myself now. I will keep practicing daily. Success comes with consistency. Excellent. You just practiced all 3 powerful steps. Keep doing this daily, and your English will change naturally. Let me ask you something. What matters more? Knowing grammar rules or using the language every day? Think about it. Most people say, I'll speak when my grammar improves. But that's exactly why they stay stuck. Because grammar doesn't create fluency, usage does. There was a girl. She understood English. She could read it. She could write it. But she never spoke. She was afraid of being wrong, afraid of being judged. So she stayed silent. Until one day, she decided, I'm going to speak, even if I make mistakes. The first time, it was messy. The second time, still uncomfortable. But she kept going, and slowly, she changed. Her sentences improved. Her confidence grew. And one day, people started listening, not because she was perfect, but because she finally started. So change this today. Stop asking, is this correct? Start asking, can I express myself? Because communication comes first, perfection comes later. Now here's your simple plan. 15 minutes listening, 10 minutes shadowing, 10 minutes speaking every single day. No excuses. And let's be honest, if you're still not improving, it's not because English is hard, it's because you're not practicing enough. You're overthinking, you're hesitating, you're waiting. Stop waiting, start doing. You're not bad at English, you just learned it the wrong way. So start again, the right way, slowly, consistently, without fear, and you will improve. That's not motivation, that's reality. So the answer is simple. Using the language every day is what actually makes you fluent. Don't just watch this. Use it, speak it, live it, and if you really want to improve your English, Don't stop here. Go back. Repeat this video again. Practice with me daily and explore more videos on this channel because one video won't change your English, but daily practice will. Keep going, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next one.